Yeah, another thing that comes to mind when you think about looking at top of funnel data and general reporting is what about the focus for, granular level, more recess level reporting? How does that warrant into this conversation? Is it becoming more common, or is it more top level, help set the initiative? What are you seeing in that regard?
Yeah, along with that transition to growing, becoming multi-cloud, more people in the audience, that's one of the next things that happens, quite honestly, is you start to get into an investigatory pattern in the form of finance or accounting coming and saying, how can it possibly cost this much, right? Why is it costing this much? And as soon as those questions start coming, that's really when you start to look to third-party commercial cost management tools like Vega to really start helping out. So when you move to a platform, you're going to get all the clouds in one pane of glass. You're going to get a standardized ability to report against the clouds in the form of a user interface that is now standard. So you're going to be training people to learn one user interface and move around that and just get the consolidated data, and suddenly you're going to have the ability to literally run a report that says, what did we spend on compute last month, and you'll see it segmented by, it was X on AWS, it was Y on GCP, and it was Z on Azure. And again, coming back to the workload placement conversation, immediately that's going to be very helpful for getting a sense of kind of what the scale is, where the emphasis should be.